Storm Tracker 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Here's a look at the satellite and radar imagery. A lot of clouds out there, starting to see some light precipitation moving in along the coast. This is going to spread inland as we head into tonight, and snow levels are going to be quite low as this winter storm gets going, down to about 1,000 feet as we start the day tomorrow. So expecting at least some snowy and slippery roads for most spots above 1,500 feet away from the coast. Down to 34 tonight in Medford, 30 in Wairika, and 24 degrees in Klamath Falls. Winds will pick up as we head into the morning. We do have wind advisories in place for the Rogue and Shasta valleys through the day tomorrow. Here's a look at your Rogue Valley planner for tomorrow. Cold in the morning, starting off as snow, but as we head deeper into the morning, we'll see that transition from snow to rain in the Rogue Valley as those snow levels rise. We'll get snow levels up to about 3,500 feet or so tomorrow afternoon. A high of 48 in Grants Pass, 49 in Medford, up to 40 in Klamath Falls. It's going to be a pretty snowy day in the basin. Periods of heavier snow impacting the Cascades, and we'll see snow accumulating in the Mount Shasta area with highs in the upper 30s. We have winter weather advisories in place. The Klamath Basin, Central Siskiyou County, and Jackson, Josephine, and Eastern Curry County above 1,500 feet. This is where we're going to look for those slippery and snowy roads, especially in the morning hours. Heavier snow mounts where we have winter storm warnings in Siskiyou County, western Siskiyou County above 2,000 feet, and then also in the Mount Shasta area. That's mainly through the day tomorrow, but the Cascades and Siskiyous, this goes through Sunday as we are going to see much more in the way of precipitation as we go through the weekend, and that's also going to be mainly in the form of heavy snow up in the mountains. Here's a look at snowfall amounts Friday through Saturday morning. About 1 to 2 feet for the Cascade Passes, 6 to 10 inches at Siskiyou Summit, over a half a foot in Mount Shasta City. We'll get about 2 to 4 inches in Klamath Falls, and some light totals, 1 to 2 inches in Cave Junction, 2 to 4 inches in Hayes Hill. Places like Medford, probably will see snow for you folks, but probably not going to add up to much. Maybe some coating on some of the grassy surfaces out there. Snow levels rise as we head into the weekend. As we head into Sunday, snow levels getting up above 5,000 feet, but definitely our mountains are going to see quite a bit of snow as we go through the weekend. Here's Stormcast. So a lot of snow in the morning hours, but then those snow levels climb as we go throughout the day. Waves of precipitation continue tomorrow night. Get a little bit of a lull in the action Saturday, but then the next storm system rolls in, an atmospheric river, heavy precipitation. Look at that rain at the coast, heavy snow up in the mountains. So this is going to be very impactful as we go through the weekend. We'll also see some very strong winds, quite a soaker, and we will be concerned with these precipitation amounts Friday through Monday with water rises on streams and rivers. We'll keep you posted on any flooding potential, but the coast, rainy and windy. We have a high wind watch for this weekend for Northern California. Snow mainly tomorrow, but those snow levels climb as we go through the weekend. The basin, a very wintry and snowy Friday. We'll look for snow levels to go up as we go through the weekend. And then also snow mainly on St. Patrick's Day as snow levels come back down. The mountains, heavy snow up along the Cascades through the weekend. More travel impacts expected. And then in the Rogue Valley, wintry in the morning, rising snow levels, and mainly looking at just rain for this weekend.